Welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon MG2556S or MG2500 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to scan documents with this printer to computer. This printer and computer both are connected together using a USB cable. 3 ways to scan document with this printer. The first method we want to use is to use shortcut, Canon shortcut, the quick menu. If you install this printer, the driver and software to your PC, after you install and set up the printer, it will show you this menu. It will be on your laptop. So go to Start My Image Garden. From the image, select the third one from the top. The first one is Creative Pack. Second one, Scan, Place Photo and Document. The third one is Start My Image Garden. So select Start My Image Garden. To scan documents, put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. This is the document I want us to scan. So put the document face down and also make sure the document starts from the top left corner of the glass scanner. So this is A4 document. Close the cover. So you can scan document or you can scan photo. So select scan. Select scan. Then you select PDF document. Go to settings. Then you select 3 dots. Scroll down to select Canon MG2500 series. Select on it. Then you select OK to confirm. Select PDF document to scan document. So the document is scanning. So you need to make sure you select correct printer. Can select settings, 3 dots. Then select correct printer. So this is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the next page, open the scanner and turn the document the other way around. Close the cover. Then you select scan to scan the next page. So you're scanning the second page. With this, you can scan as many as you like, and once you're done, then you select exit. This is the document, and this document, to print it out or to save it to the computer, select on the document, then select File, select Save, then select Browse. We want to save it in Document, then select OK. You can give the file name, or it will save the date the document was scanned. So I'm going to remove the name and give the file name. So I'm going to give the file name as Vin26 PDF. Then select Save. We show you saving. The document is saved. If you want to print it out from this image garden, select on the document, then select File, then select Print. So it will show you this print dialog. Then you select the size of the paper as A4, plain paper, print range, settings. Then you select Print All, advanced settings. You select print quality, standard or high, standard. Then you select Print. So this document is going to print single page. If you want to print it double-sided, you can print double-sided with this printer, but we need to do this differently. So I'm going to show you where to print double-sided. This is the document we scanned and printed it out, single page, color. If you want to print it two-sided, what you need to do is you need to go to File Explorer, then go to Documents. So go to Documents, then type and search the document we saved, VIN26. We saved the document as VIN26, and you will check the time the document was scanned. Double-click the document. This is the document we scanned and saved to the PC. To print it out, you can select Ctrl P. Then go on the left side and select correct printer, Canon MG2556S series. I want us to print it two-sided, so scroll down to select print on both sides. Print this in black and white. You can also print it in color. We printed in color earlier, so I want us to print this in black and white. More setting, the size of the paper A4, 100% actual size. Then select print. So we're going to print this document two-sided. Then take the document, reload it on the rear tray. So you can select Start Printing to print the second page, or you can also select Copy, Color, or Black, and it will print out the second page. This is the document we printed, double-sided, black and white. Another method to scan document with this printer, go to Laptop Start, go to the settings, select Printers and Scanners, then look for Canon MG2556S series from the list. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Select Scanner Settings, then select Scanner Property, and make sure you can see Canon MG2556S series on the list and it's available. So I'm going to close this. Then select Open Scanner. So put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. We want to scan the same document. Face down. Scroll down to select correct scanner. Canon MG2556S series. File type, PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution. You can select resolution up to 600 dpi. It's currently in 300 dpi. We want to save the file in document. Then you select scan. So this is another method to scan document. If you want to see this document, select View. This is the document. To print it out, you select Print icon. Then scroll on the left side, select Correct Printer, then select the document, print on one side, and also the color. Print this in color. More setting, you select A4, fit to printable area, then you select Print. This is the document we scanned, saved it to the computer, and printed it out. Another method to scan documents. So go to Scanner Settings, then select More Devices and Printers Settings. Select on it. It will open and show you images of printer. Then look for Canon MG2556S series on the list. Select on the printer and right-click the mouse. It will show you Set as Default Printer, Printing Preference, Printer Properties, Start Scan. Select Start Scan. You will see this information. Window can't load scanner profile. Then select OK. It will open the scanner profile. To scan document, put the document you want to scan. So want to scan this document, close the cover. Then select profile as documents. Select OK. Source, flatbed. We want to scan it in color. File type, scroll down to select PNG. Resolution 300 dpi. Then select scan. The document is scanning. This is the third method, third way to scan document. Then you select more option. Select where you want to import the file. Select browse. We want to import it to documents. Then select OK. Then name, folder name. You can give the folder name or the date taken. So date taken is selected. Then select OK. Then select import. The document is imported to the PC. If you want to see this document, then you select File Explorer, then go to Document, and it will show you this file. So these are methods, 3 methods, but I prefer to scan using quick menu. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. You help the channel. Thank you.